Welcome back to the channel. I have another video for you that comes out of Houston, Texas. On December 1st, 2025, police responded to a panic alarm at a check cashing business and arrived to find the store locked. As an employee attempted to leave the building, a masked man followed closely behind her with a gun pressed to her back. I'm interested to see what people's thoughts are about what happens next. Let me know what you think in the comments, and as always, please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel.
You good? You open the door or what? Gosh, damn. Miss hands. Hold it here, hold it here. Miss hands right now. Shots fired, shots fired. Got one suspect down, one suspect down. Black male. He has one gun on the side. He's no gun right now. Hold the air, okay? Math, get inside, get inside. Let me see your hands, man.
I can't move.
All right, we'll keep it there, all right, bro? I'll get you help as soon as I can.
Can I get a start to the hands for 12 West Green? Shots fired.
Hey, just get here as slow as possible, though, okay? Because he's good right now, okay? But go ahead and get HFD over here to my location. He says he can't move right now. I'm trying to give him verbal commands. He can't move his back.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I got him right here. Black pants, it's a black hoodie, red underwear, black shoes, moving left to right. Hey, keep talking to me, bro. I'm right here. We're gonna get your help, okay, man? Hey, you hear me, man?
Okay, sir, give me a message, guys. Here's close. Give me an ambulance.
He's right here, he's right here. When we go up, kick that gun to the right, okay?
I got you.
Hey, we're about to make movement on the suspect right now, getting detained, okay? Move, move.
Do not move, okay?
I'm going hands on, okay? Kick that thing to the right. You hold on him.
I got you.
Kick to the right. I got you, bro. I got you. I got you. Push to it. Push, push, push. Let me see your hand. I'm moving right here, okay?
Can't move.
I know. I got you, though. Help's coming on the way, okay? Let me see this hand. Let me see his hand. If it's gonna hurt, I know it's gonna hurt. Just hang on with me, okay? All right, get that gun. Secure it. You got anything else on you, man?
No, I can't move.
Okay, I got you. I know. Well, where's it hurting right now, big dog?
My back, man.
Your back?
I can't move.
I got you. Just relax. Stay right there, okay? Hold on him. Hold on him. Get inside my shop. Get inside. Look, I don't got anything in here to help us. Are you okay, ma'am? You're not hurt anyway? Okay. Hey, you got a first aid?
Yeah.
Get it for me. So far, one. Hey, can you ask her how many are there? It's just you, bro?
Yeah.
All right. Get the med kit. All right, this is all you had on you? Put this poncho off your head, okay?
I can't move. It hurt.
Where are you hurting at? In the neck?
When you move.
Okay, cool. I know. Just hang on. You're good, man. You're good. You're good, big dog.
I wasn't gonna do nothing.
What's up, bro?
Why did you shoot me?
Bro, you had a gun on you, man. You had one in the hostage, bro.
And I was gonna push her up and run.
Big dog, you can't be doing that around here, man.
Oh, you hurt me.
Where at?
My arms, they going dead.
Your arms?
Everything feel heavy now.
Okay. Just hang on, man. I'm trying to keep you warm, all right? I'm trying to figure out what.
Can you please, bro? This shit hurt, bro.
I know. I'm trying to do my best, okay? I'm gonna get it off you, though, okay?
Yeah.
Just hang on, big dog.
That shit hurt. Stop.
I'm trying to save your life, bro. It's just gonna fucking hurt. Where you hit him? Back. One right here. I don't know where the other ones are at. But
there you go.
Look, it's right here. What is this? Give me a pressure dressing. Pressure dressing. I got one right here. I'm about to roll you to the side. Yeah, I don't have gloves on. Go ahead.
Stop.
Which one take care of you?
Yes, sir.
According to news reports, the suspect survived and was later arrested on a charge of aggravated robbery with a deadly weapon. He is currently being held in the Harris County Jail and is scheduled to appear in court on December 22nd. Interestingly, a search of the name Paul Harvey McCoy shows that someone with the same name and a similar age was arrested back in 2015, along with 2 others, in connection with a series of armed robberies in North Harris County. In one of those cases, a shop owner reportedly grabbed a firearm and shot one of the suspects, though it's unclear if McCoy was the individual who was shot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.